Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate-covered strawberries with Nutella. First, select ripe, firm strawberries and gently wash them. It's crucial to dry them completely, as any moisture will prevent the Nutella from sticking properly. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper or wax paper. This will provide a non-stick surface for your finished treats, making them easy to remove once set. Now, let's get the Nutella ready. Spoon a generous amount into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, then stir well. Continue heating in short 15-second bursts, stirring after each, until it's smooth and fluid. You want it warm enough to easily coat the strawberries, but not so hot that it becomes too thin or burns. This gentle heating ensures a perfect dipping consistency. With your Nutella perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part. Hold each strawberry by its green stem and dip it into the warm Nutella, rotating to coat about 2/3 of the berry. Gently tap off any excess Nutella against the bowl's edge. If you're adding toppings like chopped nuts or sprinkles, do it now, while the Nutella is still wet. Place each coated strawberry onto your prepared baking sheet. Once all your strawberries are coated and decorated, carefully transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or until the Nutella has completely set and hardened. This step is crucial for a firm, non-messy finish. Once firm, your delicious Nutella-covered strawberries are ready to be enjoyed. They make a wonderful treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.